Hey guys! Right now I'm trying to pack to go to the US. Feels really hard because, well, I don't know. For one, I know I want to buy stuff in the US because like clothes and shoes are just a lot cheaper and there's more options than there are in New Zealand. So I'm like, oh, I'll just bring like half the amount of stuff and then like buy stuff. That's the plan. But two, I still don't know how long I'm gonna go for. Okay, to expand on that point, I forgot to say, but I actually got my visa that I was waiting for. So that's really good news. It means I can go back to New Zealand whenever I want. However, I originally only got a one-way ticket to the US, so I just still haven't bought my return ticket yet. So that's why I don't know how long I'll be in the US. And back to Christchurch. You know, packing struggles. I think I might end up taking a giant suitcase that I never use suitcases like this. But it's Nick's, and it's like, I don't know, it's pretty big. It's like almost half my body. But it might be really nice for once to like not cram everything into a backpack. I know, weird. But however, if I pack in this giant suitcase, then I'm gonna bring like my smaller carry-on backpack thing and just put it inside. So if I do like side trips within the US, I can just take that smaller bag. That's the plan. Now I'm just trying to gather up my summer clothes. It's really weird because it's been winter here, so I've been wearing like sweaters and jackets and lots of layers, and now I'm like, oh, shorts. Ooh, I don't know if I'm shorts ready. So that's what's going on over here. I had my last day at work today. That was pretty weird. Yeah, it's kind of weird. I was there for a year. The other day we had, they put on a nice morning tea for me. That's not a US expression. It's like having a morning snack. I left work a little bit early and now I'm gonna pack and then hang out with Nick, and then my flight leaves at 6:30 a.m. tomorrow. So, bright and early. All right, let's try to pack now. I like using packing cubes and packing bags, so get all these out first of all. Next up, check the weather. I've actually gotten used to Celsius now. Pretty weird, huh? First of all, I gotta figure out what I'm wearing on the plane. Something comfortable. I'm going from Christchurch to Sydney, Sydney to LA, LA to San Francisco. And we're gonna take a little break now. Here, me and Nikki. They're having this like light festival in the Botanic Gardens, so yeah, we're gonna go check that out for a little bit, and then I gotta come home and pack. There's lots of people. So many people. It was like cattle herding. The lights were cool, but I couldn't really appreciate them because there's so many people, so we kind of just got out of there really quickly. And it's still cool to check out, but it's like all of Christchurch was there. Alright, back to packing. Alright, so I packed my giant luggage suitcase and I checked it in, and now I'm at the airport in a weird game room. It's about 6 a.m. in the morning. I'm flying to Sydney, looking forward to some movies. Alright. I made it to Sydney. I feel like I've spent a lot of time in this airport actually. If those of you are new to the channel, I lived in Australia for about 4 months in 2016, the beginning of that year. And yeah, I was in Sydney for a couple months, so pretty cool. Feels nice to be back, even though I'm not really back. I'm just at the airport. And I'm just wandering around, looking at all this Australia stuff, seeing if there's anything I can buy. Oh, here we go. Maybe I should get some for presents. I've got like an hour to my next flight, so. Also, I forgot how weird it is to vlog in the airport. Super weird. Travel vloggers, man, we go through some weird stuff. think you don't know until you try it, but so try it out, see how weird it is. It's weird. This airport is just like a really fancy mall. I've made it to LA. It's 8 a.m. now. One more flight. Okay, I didn't really just go straight from the airport to the beach, but there's actually been a whole week between arriving and then beach day. I've just been enjoying being home and hanging out with my family and really haven't been doing too much, just chilling, eating a lot of food, home-cooked meals, and going out to get some Mexican food. Don't mind those little dogs that are barking. They're next door. What else have I been doing? I've been shopping. I don't shop very often in New Zealand. I feel like I saved up all my shopping to do here. What have I got? I've got this water bottle. Ooh, shiny and pretty. I'm very excited about it. I haven't put one of my stickers on it yet, but that will be going on there soon. Ooh, I got a new fleece. That's a little sneak peek. The other exciting thing, well, I don't know. I'm excited. You might not be excited, but I'm gonna get a new camera. Yeah, I think I'll still use the G7X as a secondary camera, or if I'm traveling I don't want anything bigger. I just want something that will allow me to take different kinds of video, and I want something with an external microphone. So I'm really looking forward to that. I don't know what camera I'm going to get yet. I've been thinking about the Canon EOS M50. It's a mirrorless camera. It's small, it's made kind of for travel, and there's one little bundle and it comes with a microphone. I don't know if that's gonna be necessarily heaps better than what I already am working with though. So maybe I need to go for another camera. If you have any good camera suggestions, please let me know. But something not too huge because I like to travel. So yeah, I've gone to CVS. I forgot how big the receipts are at CVS. If you don't know what CVS is, it's a drugstore, pharmacy type of place. But I just bought a couple things and honestly, okay, look how big this receipt is. Oh. This receipt is touching the ground. It's almost as tall as me. That's such a waste of paper. How ridiculous. There's some things you come back to the US after being away and you just kind of forget that this is a normal thing here. Oh yeah, also I went with my mom to Costco yesterday. If you don't know what Costco is, it's a big giant warehouse. You can buy grocery type stuff, but also clothes and any home goods type of stuff really, but it's all mass quantities. I have good memories of childhood going there because they have all these free samples, and so my favorite thing was just to eat all the free samples, so I had to indulge. Oh yeah, and then also there's this giant tub of strawberries for $3.99 and they're organic, and you just can't get that in New Zealand. I was so excited. So many things. That also felt whoa, I'm back in America. And that's what I've been doing here, hanging out with family, hanging out with little Cooper and Nami, my mom's animals. Oh, and the other thing is I've been scheduling meetups. I have one in the San Francisco Bay Area on September 16th, and it's gonna be something I think is gonna be really fun. I mean, no one has said they're gonna come yet, so I don't know if anyone else thinks it's gonna be fun, but it's gonna be kind of doing a whole travel experience adventure, but you don't have to leave California. So I hope to see some of you there. If not, I'm gonna try and convince my brother to go with me because I'm still gonna go regardless. And then I'm gonna do a meetup in LA. I don't have that one exactly planned yet, but I think it's going to be September 9th, maybe the late afternoon, evening, and somewhere on the beach area. So save the date if you're interested. I'll put out the exact details as soon as I can. I'm just waiting on confirmation from a friend who I'll be staying with in LA. So I'm just waiting to hear about her plans, and then I will plan that for sure. All of the details I'm putting on my Facebook page, so check that out if you are interested. And then I'll also be putting like updates and stuff on Instagram, so those are always a good place to try to learn more about what's going on. So I think those are the only updates I have. I'm gonna be doing a lot more family time this next week, which I'm really excited for, hanging out with my brother and sister, doing some adventures. Let me know in the comments below what you're up to, what kind of summer adventures you're doing, and if you're back in New Zealand, let me know what's going on over there. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!